Start this. And clap. Ooh. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. Hey guys, it's Bayatru back with another video just for you. Welcome back to the channel. It is so good to see you guys here today. We are going to be unboxing the Vivo V20 SE. I can't gather my thoughts because it's a phone. They sent over a phone. Okay, calm your tatas. We are going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Vivo V20 SE. So Vivo sent over the V20 SE with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage in Oxygen Blue. Off the bat, you've got here 32MP super night selfie, 33W flash charge, and a 48MP rear camera. Now we're going to do a very quick unboxing of this and just a first look of what's inside the box because I cannot wait. No more overkill knife that doesn't really do much. Okay, if you know me, I cut stuff very gently. Gently? No. Carefully. That's the term. Oh boy. Also, this is the video that you guys have been waiting for. We're going to be announcing the giveaway winners at the end of this video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that one. This is it, guys. Our first phone. Here we go, guys. Oh, oh boy. I did not expect that one. Look at that, that's so beautiful. We're gonna set this one aside. You open the box, and yeah, that. The Vivo V20 SE. I mean, like, the box is so nice. Ooh, you pull this out. And inside is, ooh, a jelly case. And of course, your paperworks, SIM ejector tool, and the unit. And it tells you where the proximity sensor is and the ambient light sensor. This particular unit also has a fingerprint sensor, which is located here in the bottom. You've got here a couple of like the stickers and a cardboard that separates the main unit from all the accessories that come with it. So over here, you've got the 33W fast charge brick, which comes with a USB to USB Type-C. And some people, particularly also me, will be pretty pleased to know that this phone comes with an audio jack. And it also comes with a headset. If you haven't seen my earphone or headset DIY lapel hack, then you should go check that out on Facebook or TikTok. Off the bat, you already have a jelly case to protect your phone. So out of the box, you can already use it. And it's clear, which means you don't compromise or hide this beautiful finish. Okay, we're gonna open this. Look at that. It's coming out. It's coming out. Oh man, Vivo has made a wonderful phone. This is the Oxygen Blue variant. No fingerprint. Yo. That is a nice finish. I mean, one of my pet peeves is getting fingerprints all over the back or just all over the screen. Yo. Man. It has some weight to it. I can't wait to test this out, and I can't wait to see what I can do with this. Ooh. Okay, that is it for this very quick first look and unboxing of the Vivo V20 SE. Alright, I know what you guys are waiting for. Now for the announcement of the winners. Okay, we're finally announcing the winners for the giveaway. For the first winner of the Premium Copy AirPods Pro, we have, drumroll, Miss Fritzy Jill Manaloto from Cebu City. Miss Fritzy, thank you for joining the giveaway and thank you for your support. You are the very first winner of the Premium Copy AirPods Pro. We will contact you via your email. The second person to win the Premium Copy AirPods Pro, drumroll, is Mr. Miguel Caluag from Cainta, Philippines. Thank you, Miguel. We will be in touch with you shortly via your social media account or your email. Thank you for joining the giveaway and thank you for your support. For the first winner of the Premium Copy AirPods Gen 2, we have, drumroll, Miss Maxine Rogas. I don't know if I said your name right, but Miss Maxine is from Davao City. Thank you for joining the giveaway. Thank you for your support, and we will be in touch with you shortly. And last but not the least, this is our final winner of the Premium Copy AirPods Gen 2. We have Mr. Vincent Felizario from Calibo Town, Philippines. Thank you for joining the giveaway. Thank you for your support, and we will be in touch with you shortly. That is it for this giveaway, guys. Thank you again for helping me reach all those goals and for constantly watching my videos and tuning in, subscribing, following, liking, and all that stuff. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video of this first look and unboxing of the Vivo V20 SE. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe because we are definitely going to explore this phone further and we're going to see what it is capable of. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying this long. Thank you for your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Ow! Okay, YouTube, be it true. You know what to do. Okay? You guys know what to do. Yes, that is my Wi-Fi password. Subscribe.